So, hey there everyone. This one is a Metro 4 pots. Sorry, some bikers just coming by. And as you can see, these are pretty worn and needs to be filled up and renewed. So this is my, let's say, spare one, which I have already been working on. You can see that over here. I'm trying to hold it, that the rubber seals I have taken off for galvanizing them. And the trick is that, like, we have these two seals which should go in. Now one of them, the smaller one, goes in pretty easy, and there is the bigger one which is overlapping, and I was figuring and fighting with it that, like, how to put it in. I'm going to show you the easiest way which I came up. And so first you put in one part on the one side with your index finger, holding it down, and then you pull it off, put it to the side, and then on the opposing side you try to put it into the trench, and then you just have to do some little wiggling waggling, and if it goes all well, at the end of the story it should be in place. Of course, it's not as easy as I speak, but it's going to be easier to put it in this way than to fight with it any other how. Nah. Okay, it popped off. So then let's do it again. I think the key point is that to find the most middlest part of it and then start pushing it in from both sides, and do not let it to slip off any of the sides. Now, this is how it should not be. I'm going to try it over here. It's going to be better this time. Almost in. Almost. Just a bit of wiggling, and it's in. You see?